Welcome to ACPerez Immigration Law Professional Corporation YouTube channel. Today we're sharing an inspiring story of a client who successfully navigated the complex immigration process with our help. Sarah's journey. From nurse in Manila to healthcare professional in Toronto, meet Sarah, a dedicated nurse from Manila. She dreamed of advancing her career in Canada but faced many immigration challenges. Sarah faced numerous challenges, from understanding the visa requirements to gathering the necessary documents. The complexity of the process left her anxious and uncertain about her future. That's when Sarah reached out to us. Our team provided a comprehensive consultation, outlining the steps she needed to take and offering personalized guidance every step of the way. We helped Sarah prepare her application, ensuring all documents were correctly submitted and deadlines were met. Our expertise gave her the confidence to proceed. A few months later, Sarah received the news she had been waiting for. Her visa was approved. Today, she is thriving in her new role in Canada, grateful for the support she received. At ACPerez Immigration Law Professional Corporation, we are dedicated to helping individuals like Sarah achieve their dreams. If you're facing similar challenges, contact us today. Your success story could be next. Contact us today. Visit us at www.acperezlaw.com or check our Facebook page at ACPerez Immigration Law Professional Corporation or email us at acperez.lawfirm@gmail.com.